Hi, it's Heather, and today I'm going to talk about my Kanban boards, which are the #1 way that I stay organized and keep track of all the tasks that I have to do, whether large or small. So you might be asking what a Kanban board is. So I am going to switch the camera away from me and show you my Kanban boards and explain how they work. I actually have 4 Kanban boards, 1, 2, 3, and 4, which are color coded. I took a whiteboard, an inexpensive whiteboard that I got maybe at Walmart, and I took a permanent marker to draw 2 lines to create 3 sections. Up at the top is tasks that are unfinished. In the middle are the tasks that I'm currently working on, usually for 1 week at a time, and at the bottom are the tasks that I have completed. So I really like this because this is like one giant brain dump. I do 3 months at a time, all the things that I can think of that I need to do for the different categories. And I might add to them too. If something comes to mind, I'll just throw it back on. The purple has to do with my schoolwork and organizations that I'm involved in and some practicing schedule stuff. The middle has to do with all composition related activities. Some of it is parts that I need to work on, or people that I need to reach out to about whether they're looking for a score or maybe a commission. Pink has to do with my podcast. I am hoping to do about 6 different episodes by the end of March, and I have every single task I need to do for each episode on a sticky note. And then, of course, as I'm working on them, I put them in the middle section, and then when I complete them, they go down to the bottom, and I really like that tactile, feeling of success because I can move that sticky note. And then finally, for my herbal projects, because I'm an herbalist, I put those up in green. So those are my Kanban boards. I love them. They really help me to stay on track. I really like the tactile ability to move my sticky note as I'm working on things. I don't have to worry about remembering to copy them from one list to another that gets really old and wrinkly or too scratched up to be able to read anything. It all stays neatly on the boards. So that's Kanban boards. I hope that you find this useful, and please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks. Have a great day.